the ball joint of the pinky toe. So essentially you are connected through all four corners of your feet. Great, bring it back to center, switch. Grab the right wrist this time, take it up and over to the left. Inhaling in deeply, grounding through the feet, and exhaling completely. Good, inhale, bring it up. Slowly carve a line with your nose to look up towards your thumbs. Nice and tall now in Tadasana, mountain pose. Lift your chest, bring a little energy through your fingers. Right hand grabs the left wrist here, and we'll find a side body stretch again here. Now standing, digging into the heels, pressing into the ball joint of the big toe. Relax your shoulders, take a deep breath in and a long breath out. On your next inhale, spread awareness through your feet, so strong legs as you reach the fingertips all the way up towards the sky.